What's up, homeowners? George here with XLR8. Preventative maintenance is paramount to protecting your roof. Scheduling routine professional inspections is key to delaying the aging process of your roof system. Today I'm going to go over the 4 benefits of preventative roof maintenance. Number 1, no surprise leaks. Any roof repair specialist will say that preventative maintenance is instrumental in uncovering damage early and heading off leaks. More often than not, aging roofs hide issues which are unrecognizable to the untrained eye, especially from afar. When left undiscovered and unaddressed, they only worsen until they let the elements into your home. Before you know it, you could be experiencing water intrusion, drenching your valuables and wreaking havoc on your interior. Number 2, no unexpected expenses. When you have an active routine maintenance plan or proactively schedule a roof checkup, you can budget for possible repairs. It will be a different story though when leaks strike out of the blue. Many roofers provide free inspections to help you identify issues early on. Number 3, no nullified warranties. Any experienced roofing contractor will attest that most brands void product warranties when defects are due to poor maintenance. If you routinely set up professional inspections, the manufacturer is more likely to reimburse you for the replacement of materials and labor costs. Number 4, no denied claims. With most insurance policies, there's a thin line between proper maintenance and neglect. When filing a claim for a storm-damaged roof, your insurer might deny your request if there's a great chance you fell short of upkeep expectations. In the end, you could be left shouldering all the expenses. Routine inspection paperwork is solid evidence that you did everything you should be doing to keep your roof system in prime condition. You're more likely to receive the compensation to which you're entitled. Whether you want to schedule an inspection for leak prevention or insurance reasons, you can count on the wealth of knowledge and experience that XLR8 has to offer. You can find our direct phone number and our website in the description below. And remember, you work hard to put a roof over your head. Don't just roof it, accelerate it. Till next time, I'm out.